Alright, so what's up, fellas? We back at it again. I'm giving you guys a little fresh 2019 Phantom Fireworks walkthrough. I'm gonna try to get the popular items, the prices for you guys. But yeah, this is it. Little kit, $129. Buy one get two free. Same thing. That's sort of their signature marketing. Is a buy one get two free. They got some new stuff. It looks like I'm probably gonna pick up a couple. They got some really nice 200-gram cakes, but yeah. Got Harbor. That's a popular one. You get that. You get some of these in the family packs, I think. Shell kit. This is new. I haven't seen this. Some of the effects. Continuum shells. Got the Wolfpack, their brand. Seen those around. I've seen these a lot. That's $1.99. Buy one get two free. Mini shell kits. That's that. Echo in the ear. I know that's popular too. I don't see a price on it, but there we go. My bad. $69.99. Buy one get two free. So that 2016 video, I know I'm seeing some of the stuff that was in that video. So some of this stuff just, you know, they carry that in their stores. That's just part of the Phantom Fireworks line. That's that. Boom. Got some prices for you. Radical recoil shells. Never heard of those. That's that. Boom. Come on. They got the gender reveals. There you go. Y'all want to see these ones? $24.99. But hey, X-Cows, your guys' favorite. $179. You got the standard family packs. $149. That's all you, whoever wants them. $59.99. Niagara. I've seen this a lot. Every year you see them on the net. It's not that big, but it has a bunch of little novelty stuff in there, which I'm sure I can see tanks in there. The Copperhead, a couple cone fountains. I don't know, for some reason I've always wanted that one. You got the parachutes. Parachutes are always nice. It's not bad. So it's decent for these novelties, right? Let me do this so yeah, I can get some of these prices. All right. And I know you guys don't want to see that. Here goes some firecrackers. Again, the Wolfpack signature firecracker. A brick, $30. $15. This is the same, you know, I'm sure you guys seen this stuff. Some more fountains. You guys like this. Fountains aren't that bad. I don't have anything against them. If they got some good crackle, some real blues in there, some crickets, it makes for a good show. Jumping jacks, Phantom brand jumping jacks. That's that. You got the jets. Tanks. Magic crystals, popular. Love these things. Those are always good ones. Sparklers, I love these neons. A lot of white smoke from them, but they're not that bad. Got the big fountains. Alright, and we have Roman candles. So let's get into that. That's their signature assortment. It's not bad, heavy. Bunch of them in there. $60. You get a buy one, get two free. It's a lot of them. Probably better off using them all together. You got the barrages. You guys know about these. They started getting popular, what, a year ago? 2 years ago? For your Roman candle war. I can tell. These are nice. These are nice. These aren't bad. Oh, $16.99. Boom. Super loud. Whoa. Same thing, same thing. Candles, candles. We got some rockets. These aren't bad for the price. You know, these are always like little throwaways. Good filler. Especially if you're low on funds, you can get a couple packs of those and they will last the night for sure. I like this right here. $60. Rocket assortment. And this comes with a bunch of little rockets. I love rockets. Any size. What is it? 8 ounce? 6 ounce? A bunch of them in there. $50. 60 for this one. Bigger one. They got the bigger rockets. I'm not a fan of the bigger rockets. If you're gonna do that, I'd rather go ballistic, zombies, etc. We will head back to that station. So, they just got a shipment of the 500 grams. So everything's in boxes. So she said she prefers not to be that area to be filmed. So I'm gonna try to get a glance for you, but I mean it's the same stuff. They don't really have anything, and most of it's in boxes. Red, white, and boom. That's a popular one. $69.99. Buy one get two free. Wild Bear. That's a good one. $40. Prices. You guys can slow it down. Look what I see up there. Classic. It's a must-have. And that is in the 500 gram section. Prices. Diamonds are forever. This is a popular Phantom. I want to say it's what, a 200? Yeah. I don't see it being a 350. Too, for sure. Rain of Fire, $40, $39.99. Another popular one, right? I've seen that one around. This is a good one. I had this for pretty much every year. It's a solid cake. Solid. You got Phantasm, Power Cell. That's I've seen that one around. Y'all want to see some of the ones on the bottom? Power Play. I've never seen the ones on the bottom. What's this? This looks pretty cool. Nice and chunky. Does it have a QR code? Yeah, I might have to check that out later. Might be something worth picking up. Vapor Trails. I know we've seen that one a lot. And that is 30 bucks. If I see any other ones, I will point them out. Okay. Popular one. Oh, both of these. Seen these ones around a lot. So not bad. 17 bucks, buy one get two free. And then you can basically just get one of each. So as long as it's the same price, you're able to get more than one for that one price. Color Pearl, 10 bucks. I'm not a fan of the Color Pearl. I need a little more thump to it. But I know a lot of people like to add that to their show. These are nice. You get nice color out of them. But you have to decide if you want to just go with a canister kit or the single shots. It's a tough one. Price wise, you're probably better off getting a kit. But you can throw a couple of these in there just to mix it up. As you guys know, on all the kits, you're going to get all these different descriptions, but it's multiples of the same effect. So you might want to mix it up. Alright, that's that. And let's head to the bigger assortments. The Max. Y'all got 1500. There you go. Where my ballers at? It's you guys, man. Grounds for divorce. You will get divorced. Thing's huge. I think it's like that Godfather one, right? And so boom. Some of that again. She requested that we don't go back there. But there really isn't much. The 500 grammers, 200 bucks pretty much. Right? And that's about it. That's probably a barrage, right? Alright, so now we're back. It's a pretty big kit. Bunch of different shells in there, single breaks, doubles, probably what, triples, and you get some cans in there. This one reminds me of Brown Pride with some bigger cakes on the bottom. And that is, boom, 500. You got 600 for that one. Okay, okay. This one looks familiar. 650. Another 650. This one's by Shogun. Damn, my arms hurt. But this is a big one. It has some classics in there. This one is $8.50. $8.50. Oh, this one's nice. Got some classics in there. $8.50. I would probably do this one as opposed to that other one. That Komodo. I'll take 2-3 cakes instead of that one. But if that's what you're gonna get, then got that. Boom. So I guess this is a... No, it's just a regular assortment. I thought it was just a tube, single shot tube assortment. But 300. What do y'all think? You get 2 for 1. $2.59. Phantom Nation. I want to say I've seen this one around. Does this one come to a hood near you? Y'all tell me. I want to say I've seen that one. Like I said, that Niagara, I've definitely seen. Okay, I see the ones. We're about to get to them. Fire Blast. Boom. You normally don't see that one. 200. What's that? Tube Finale. There you go. 180. Uncle Sam. Okay, so this is the one that you for sure see every year on OfferUp, Craigslist. It's nice and heavy. It's chunky. I've never had them, man. I've always wanted one. The price just wasn't right. You guys know how they, you know, it's a double up game. I mean, and I get it. It's a mission. Some places don't have access to them, so someone has to meet that, you know, the supply, and then you get into that supply and demand scenario, and the market decides the price, fellas. Y'all know how that goes. Rolling Thunder, a popular one, 99, so you get what, 3 of them. This is a popular one. Ooh, okay, a lot of goodies on this one. Nice and chunky. Have I seen this? I've seen this one. Okay, it's a lot smaller than it looked on in pictures, so I'm glad I didn't cop that. Locked and Loaded, 200. That's that. Bestsellers. Y'all want to see the prices? Let's check them out. $50, $60. Got some cakes going off on the screen. That's pretty decent. I just spotted like 1 or 2 of them that I liked just by looking at it, which are 200 grammars, which is all I'm probably gonna get. But you know, I figured you guys want to see this. This is a popular fireworks store. I mean, it's been around forever. I know the price issue, fellas, but you know, different strokes for different folks. Crazy. But here we go. Wacky Tobacco. Popular, 9 on the board. What's that? 200. So for you big spenders, there you go. 200. And I think that wraps it up. That was pretty much everything they had. Again, I hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna have another upload of Red Apple. I think I should. But I hope you guys enjoy this little walkthrough. You guys got to see some of the prices. And yeah, it's that time again. Before you guys come down, you guys can, you know, check them out, see if they have anything you like. And that's pretty much it, fellas. I hope you guys enjoy, man.